So you're a matchmaker for buyers and suppliers. Um, and my understanding is there's two services you guys have. You have Haizol Global and Haizol.com. Can you explain the two differences between those?
Exactly, yes. So Haizol.com would be the matchmaker essentially. So where anyone from anywhere in the world can come online and they can actually request for a quote from a supplier. And within 24 hours, suppliers that fits the criteria and who are able to deal with the project can quote. Um, and then essentially the buyer can come on and filter by different filters such as certifications, location, capacity, number of employees, the research and development department of that factory. So they can factor on what aspects are relevant for them. Whereas at Haizol Global, we are directly the manufacturers. So this is essentially completely stress-free and a hands-off experience where we would take the project from scratch. Our manufacturers and engineers would deal with it, and then essentially we'll end up at the door of the buyer. So
But
really hands-free, streamlined.
Heisel, okay, they have their own machines, their own factories, but they're outsourcing it too, correct? Some.
So it depends. It depends on the project, not always. So we do have in-house capacity. So essentially, it really depends on a project by project basis, and it would all be talked through with them. They would have an account manager who would be working with the buyer closely throughout the whole from start to finish.